Yeah, hey, what's up? Anyway, I'm trying to get the. There we go. Come on, assistance, please. There we go. Trying to get the focus going. Doing an update on the Summer Blast Sales event for Red Apple, and they've added a bunch of new items, including canister shells, artillery shells, cakes, you name it. And they got a lot of the big stuff going off, like orbits over here for 84. I kind of scroll through it slow for everybody to see. You got Chroma 5-inch shells going for 99. I mean, that's $30, 31 or $30 off. Doom shells going off for 99. Just added Orbit, Voyager 99 from 140, so you're saving some bucks there. Z-Box, I think it was mentioned on the previous video, but I kind of slowly scroll through this, so any of you guys out there might be interested. This sale does start on the 19th, ends on, I believe, the 12th of August, and which could be extended, or a new sale will begin. So you can't guarantee all the items that you see here will be on sale then for the new sale in August coming up for this coming Labor Day. Go light off some fireworks. Addicted to Loud. Pretty much everything is being restocked and stocked up again. So, I mean, one good thing you could do if you live out of the area is place an order online. When you go to checkout, you can just hit in-store pickup, pick a day that you'll be up here in Prompt to pick up your items, and do it that way. That's a lot of times I'll do that while I'm at work or out of town. I'll order stuff online, and I'll put in-store pickup. That way it's already paid for and ready for me when I come in, and I'll pick a day to pick it up, and that way I'm just ready to go. And what I'm trying to get past today is trying to get word back from Doug. I'm gonna probably pick out a few items here to give away if you mention my name. Mostly it's gonna be rockets, nothing super special, but rockets and a pack of rockets, big rockets, not talking like little bottle rockets or anything like that, and like a brick of firecrackers. And you'll have your choice. First 5, maybe 6 people, I'll put in the information on this video exactly how much stuff I have to give away and who gets what, but you'll have a choice. What's up? We're over here in the big shell aisle at Red Apple Fireworks in Prompt. I have the same sale going in Alberta and in Flint, Michigan, and pretty much everything you see on this aisle, big shell wise, back is going to be on sale for a discounted price. I believe it's about $84. Ghost, monstrous bouquet palms, monster palms, red riffs, addicted to loud, King Chrysanthemums, Midnight Sun, a lot of the big shells, Flash Mob. I do believe Indica, Sativa over here, by Ganja, Calavera, Prism, and F-Zero are going to be on sale as well. And as you can see, they're starting to restock more and more of the stuff that was sold out, which a lot of these ones were, like all the ones in the middle. And we got more stuff being stocked over here on this side of the finale section. Every day there's more and more stuff. Just gonna kind of go through a quick video of some of the additions that they have. Sorry, but I do have to look at my phone. So. But yeah, let's see if we can get some of those prices out real quick. Yeah, Orbit's large shell is going to be 84. I scroll down while we're on this list. They're going to have Solaris for 60. Hyperdrive 55. Hey, that even rhymes. That's pretty cool. 3 cakes for $55 by F-Zero. Spectrum case also on sale for 87, down from 95. So these are actually pretty big cuts. Dubs double break artillery shells, ball shells, 104 for a case of 12, 6 in each pack. So that down from 139. That's a pretty good price. Addicted to Loud will be 89, down from 98 for a case. King of Chrysanthemums also 84, down from 100. Red Rifts 82, down from 86. So there's some that you're making a little bit better deals on, but all of them are all top quality. And actually, a ball shell binge over here is actually a really cool case, down to 99 from 110. And you do get a case of those is 3 of these packs, and you do get a lot of shots with that for the ball shells, and they're like double breaks. Missiles, Big Blast for Last 87, which is really cool. It's $10 off, down from 97. And we do have a lot of others. We got Midnight Sun 94, and Flash Mob, which is really cool. They got a mixture of 2-inch shells and 3-inch shells for 76, down from 92. And we'll go over here to the canister shells real quick. You can see they're stocked up fully on the barrel bombs that are going to be on sale for 99. And Voyager are going to be on sale as well, right down here. 68 rounds, 10 tubes, 4-inch shells. You get a mixture of Smoke and Mirrors, Quest, and Everest, all top quality for 99 bucks, and that's going to be down from like 140. So that's a good save there. And if I'm correct, here's the ball shell kit right here, which is really cool ball shell double breaks on all of those really high performance. And they do have some of the other stuff in stock. Not on sale quite yet, but you have some really good, if you're into ball shells, these are really the Deadheads. They have the Silver Beach balls. These are really good ball shells. And do they have the yes, they do. X bombs. Don't have any Z or Y bombs in yet, but the X bombs with the assorted effects. So you have large bangs, crackling, peony, strobe glitter. I do believe there's some whistles in there too. But as far as that, we're gonna get on to the next segment of video here soon. There's everything's coming back in stock more and more every day, and we do have Chroma. I do believe it's going to go on sale from $129 to $99 a case. And we're going to get on to the next segment of video. Okay, I'm going to just pick out some rockets here for the giveaway, and I'm just going to get like 3 packages. Got some smiling face rockets, which are really cool. These aren't cheap rockets. These are quality rockets. They actually go up and have some good effects. Skybolts. These are the ones I would buy anyway. Winda Space Falcon. We're already up to like 45 bucks. And if you guys don't come up and get them, I'll gladly come back and take them home. just kind of, I thought I'd kind of add this to the whole list, but let's go down to this end over here. Oh, shoot. Oh, yeah. X-bombs assorted. I don't know, who wants some X-bombs? We could do that. We'll do 2 boxes of these. $10 a unit. So, okay, so far we got fire tanks. And then we're gonna come up front here. And we're gonna get 2 packages of rockets. Or not rockets, crackers. See, you got that 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. So we got what? 9 items? Holy smokes, dude. Black cap bricks. And we'll just go pay for this up front right now. Helps on the way. You always bring them back. You don't have to buy another one right away. Just now, if I have to take it, I take it.
What was the last name on the account again?
Ed Ziegler. Z-E-I.
You already have your phone.
Yes. Perfect. My $100 your fireworks. Could keep this for a pickup or at a later date, just in case Doug doesn't like get to go ahead on it.
Oh, he said it's all good.
Oh, it's all good?
Yeah, you're good.
All
You're
right.
fine. I'll just put this to the side. I'll put a little note on
Yeah.
it. Make sure no one puts it on the shelf.
Yeah, all they have to do is mention Pyro Zig, Chris Ziegler, any of the above, and they get a free item of their choice.
Awesome. Yeah, I'll put this right over here so we don't put it back on the shelf.
Perfect. Lucky son of a. All right, Doug gave the thumbs up, so. You can pick any item you want. Right? Remember? Like, subscribe, comment, and definitely on the subscribe. And we'll see you again soon. Red Apple Fireworks, Pump, Nevada. Take care.